We want to make the entire experience.
Ooh, righty, guys. Used car. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, look at this monster of a beauty of a monster. Did somebody trade in? What is going? Let me look at the plates. That'll be a dead giveaway right there. If it was traded in or just bought. No plates, guys. Did somebody trade in a wide body Challenger? Whoa. Whoa, look at that. 6.2 supercharger turbo. No, 6.2 supercharger. Oh, wow. Look at that block, guys. That's red block. That's a red eye. Okay, it's likely a red eye that has been tuned. Look, was that necessary? I talk about this all the time. Cold air intake, is that really necessary? This thing could probably get like 800 horsepower, guys. I'm thinking we bought this off the customer, except trading it in. How many miles on it? This is a freaking beauty. Is that right? 2687? 2687, guys. 2,000 miles, so it's fairly new. I've never been impressed by the insides of these. It's basically just basic. So when somebody get one, they just do their thing. But I want to say this is factory. The wide body kit. Now you can buy a wide body kit, but I don't know. I think this came on it. Oh, I've heard them speaking up front. I overheard them talking about they're gonna need a wheel. This wheel is cracked, guys. Guess how much this wheel costs? $1,050. And it's hard to get one. You can't get one. It says crack and it's losing air, so the tire go down. Yeah, I was up at parts department. JT's Challenger back there, wide body. Y'all know me. First thing I reached for was my camera. I want to see. Sure enough, here we go, baby. This is a freaking beauty with a sunroof. Yes, sunroof, black hood, wide body, 6.2 supercharger. That red block. I wonder how the key look. Is it like one of those different color keys? You know, the keys can be red or black. I don't see no keys. I think they took the keys so couldn't nobody run off with the car. Yeah, guys, there's been a rash of theft going on the lot. One guy just jumped in on one of our cars on the service lane, drove off on him, and it was just a typical scat pack. So imagine if the thieves saw this. And what's weird, these things have tracking devices built in them, but the thieves done got so smart, they just take the radio out of them. Depending on the setup now, take the radio out of them, there goes your tracking device. Look at this beauty here, boy. Ooh, this is nice. 800 freaking horsepower. Yeah, let me test drive this one, alright? Y'all remember that video I did with that supercharger came apart inside? Watch this video right here. This is how a stock pulley's supposed to look. Alright, and it looks even prettier if you got a colored belt. Green belt. Yes, that's a beauty. That is a freaking beauty. 800 freaking horsepower, 2,000 miles. So I don't know, guys. I guess they gonna do they patent and used car inspection and get it up and running. There's no way I can fire it up. Like I say, I think they hang on to the key until they don't want just anybody jumping in and going for it. I don't know what they do. What's the deal? But won't be long now. We'll be doing this to this motor, engine, whatever y'all call it. Yes, guys, emissions, tighter emissions coming down the pipe. In the future, you may just see an inline 6 going across a Challenger. Are y'all really ready for that? And what's weird is they're predicting the same amount of the numbers, similar numbers. They're predicting similar numbers as to how much this thing will produce and stuff like that. So we'll see, man. Everything right now is speculation, but from what I'm reading, I don't have no more inside information than you guys. All right, so it's all speculation until it actually happens. All right, so that's all I have. I'm gonna go on to the other side. All right, guys, I see a BMW in the shop, and I want to know why. and what's going on. That is nice. Who, man? What you doing, man? What is it, man? What you doing? Whoa, how many cylinders? What?
You know what this is?
What is this?
It's a twin turbo. See where the turbo sit? Instead of the intake, this is the exhaust on this car.
The exhaust is on top?
Yeah. So your turbos, there's one turbo, two turbos. So you got twin turbos on top. Your intake's on the side of the motor.
Damn, what's the advantage of that?
Direct feed for a turbo. I mean, you should know better.
So it's speed. It's got speed. This car will get up and go.
Mean, this comes stock with 500 horses.
A regular BMW?
It's not a regular. It's a 750i X-Drive.
Uh-oh.
It's all-wheel drive.
All-wheel drive?
Once you have turbos, think about turbo lag most of the time.
Right.
It takes a while. But if you have a turbo that's directly in the valley, you're shoving the air directly into the intake.
It helps with speed, huh?
Yeah, power, no lag, no nothing.
What you doing? Changing oil?
Well, I changed the oil and PCV valves.
Oh, what is this? European car Formula Mobile One.
5W.
Y'all see the selection this guy chooses? Advanced fuel, full synthetic motor oil.
I mean, $100 for the oil.
No, really?
It takes 10 quarts.
Holy crap.
This car takes about 9, almost 10 quarts.
So yeah, you got 2 of these jugs then. Special oil filter, or it's pretty typical?
It's insert basically.
Oh, really?
Yeah, like our 3.6, but it's on the bottom of it.
So how often you change it? By the miles or time?
This one here is usually by 15,000 miles, but I usually change it sooner than that. Fuck that 15,000 miles.
Look at this.
And the way the wife drives this thing, she drives the crap out of it.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
Damn. I couldn't tell you what's going on. Oh, my goodness. BMW.
Yeah, this is an animal, dude. Stock.
So why don't you own Chrysler products? This guy worked for Chrysler but don't own any. Y'all believe that? This is nice though. You had a gray one too, a silver one too, didn't you? Oh yeah.
I don't get rid of my cars. My cars are my toys.
That's what's up.
Yeah. Just like you hoard it with your PTs.
Whoa.
I hoard it with BMWs.
Uh-oh. You finna put this in the air and change the engine?
Well, no, this is single horsepower. Schwinn.
Single turbo.
Schwinn.
Schwinn.
It all depends on you what power you want.